Hello again. It's Christian. Hello again. It's Godzilla again. It's Goji here, and this is it's my neighbor's cat. It doesn't have a name. Maybe I'll call her Miming. Hey, I could see your shoes, Mom. And she likes me. And I have two cats also. Daddy! No, so I like to put it here. Hey, what? No, so I really like her cat. But I'm going to name her Miming. Right? Oh, it's allowed. Here, let me have you. She looks so adorable. Hey! They can hear you! Hey! They can hear you! Sorry. So, I really like her. And oh look, there's a motorcycle coming. And also I love cats. And also I have my own vacation today. Also it's my vacation today with my whole family and my friends. Also, oh look, there's the two cats here. Also, I hope you like my video. So good luck.